Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix battery draining fast on iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Disable some location services. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location services, tap system services. Turn off any app. Then go back, turn off location service. Solution number 2. Turn off some notification. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap notification. Scroll down. Tap FaceTime. Turn off allow notification. Solution number 3. Turn off auto brightness feature. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap accessibility. Tap display and text size. Scroll down. Turn off auto brightness. Solution number 4. Switch the auto lock time. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap display and brightness. Scroll down. Tap auto lock. Select 30 seconds. Then go back. Select dark mode. Solution number 5. Turn on reduce motion. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap motion. Turn on reduce motion. Solution number 6. Turn off background app refresh. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap journal. On the journal page, tap background app refresh. Turn off any apps. Select off. Solution number 7. Turn on low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap battery. Tap battery page. Turn on low power mode. Thanks for watching this video.